beautiful.
Yeah.
And the paint work too, you know, but that's how you make a
Did
fly
Mark
fast
make
right
those?
there.
No,
Yep.
those are stock bodies.
Oh,
Those are
stock
stock?
bodies. He just built the chassis.
Flying Monogram.
Flying Monogram, yeah. Shut the jail door. That's how you make these fast too. And I like that, just the pressure fit with the
Yep.
mounts right there. No screws, just
It's got one screw in the whole thing.
yeah,
Right
one
in
screw
the
and
middle.
just holding it in there. That's just
It just has
Art-
one screw that holds the body on.
yeah,
Wow.
just artwork.
Yeah.
Golly. Damn it, boys. Beauty. Wow. That's as good as it gets.
Yeah. That's cool.
Gosh. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. That's what it's all about right there. Just building your own. Just nothing more satisfying. Wow. Yeah, that's not your average fly chassis. You know it. It sounds like. As soon as you pull the trigger, that's not a fly car, is it? Kind of, sort of, yeah. Just great job.